Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to this week's vlog. Today is already Friday, but I haven't really been doing much else this week, just like going to my day job, going to work, so it hasn't been too exciting. But I do have a lot that I want to get done this weekend. So today my friend Amanda is coming over, who's an amazing seamstress, and because I'm so small, a lot of times cosplays that I order come way too big on me, and so I rely on her to take them in and tailor them to fit me a bit better. So she's taking a look at a cosplay of mine today that I ordered, and if she's not able to take it in, I might just commission a whole new one from her, honestly, because I really want to do this cosplay. And then other than that, yeah, I just have a couple other little projects I want to get done today, and I also have to get my last month's Patreon prints sent out because I still haven't done it this month. It's just been so crazy. I haven't even had a chance to do that yet, or to do my paintings. So I have an idea for a theme that I want to do for my paintings. So I need to get those done. I need to get everything sent out. And then I have a couple other like little art projects that I want to get done. I have a shoot that we're going to be doing with Geek Strong. So lots of stuff going on. It's going to be a busy couple of days, and I'll bring you along with me, and hopefully it's really fun. Hey! So Amanda's here. She's actually been here for a while. We've been chatting.
Yes, I've always been here.
The fully vaccinated team.
Woo! Pfizer gang, what? Boo, 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 boo.
Yeah, so Amanda takes in a lot of my cosplays because I am small and nothing ever fits me.
And I am big and nothing ever fits me, so it works out.
But she also does commissions, so I need shit.
I mean, I gotta use my master's degree in costuming for something, right? 15 years of theatrical costuming. I should hope that I know how to make stuff for myself.
15 years of theatrical costuming just to pin my crotch.
Hey, some people don't know, and if you don't know how to properly pin an outfit so that it looks good when you're finished with it, then like, yeah, you do kind of need to know how to alter stuff. So yes, I would like to think that my 15 years of costuming has helped me learn how to pin crotches correctly.
I'll show you what we've done with this one. This is sent to me from someone off my Amazon wish list, which is super nice. Thank you so much. And let me show you. Yeah, this is like gonna be. Is this considered not safe for work? You can like full on like enjoy my.
I mean, if you're showing your underpants fully, then maybe. But I think if you're careful about it, or you just wear, because she has tights on.
Yeah, she has those pink tights. Yeah.
Yeah, you good.
But Amanda pinned this so that it fits me because it was too long before on my short torso.
And it is a very high cut.
It is.
Very high cut on the hip.
It is. But that's okay because of the tights.
Yes.
So this is what it is. It's gonna be for a Scarlet Witch for my Sokovian fortune teller. And I'll show you the other one that she did. Here's the other one.
Starlight. Ooh.
So you guys probably remember I got the Starlight Dress when I worked at the Halloween store that shall not be named. But I wanted this one too.
To protect the innocent.
It came and it was like, definitely, this is an extra small, but it came like huge. So we had to do some taking in of it. So it's pinned in the back. You can't even see in the mirror, but it's pinned.
Yee.
Yay! New cosplays!
Best character in the boys! Woo! But yes, this
the only not completely hateable character.
Hey, Huey's good.
He drives me insane sometimes. Shut up.
Oh God.
So it's the next day. Kind of worked on some projects today, like I said I was gonna do, but didn't get as far along in them as I wanted, so I finished up a bunch of stuff today. I'll show you what I've been working on. So this is the first thing, and this is my paintings for Patreon, because my top tier gets a little painting from me, and I always make extras so I can choose my favorites, but I'm obsessed with these. So I drew them last night and painted them, and then just added like the details and the googly eyes this morning once they were dry. And oh my gosh, I love them so much. I can't wait to send them out, but I also kind of am sad to send them because I love them. So I think that I'm gonna take some pictures of them and turn them into stickers, because I have this like little sticker printer and it prints like round stickers. So I think if I like somehow like take pictures of them, bring them to Photoshop to like fix all the like little, you know, things that like shadows and stuff like that, and then I can print them as little stickers and maybe send them out or do something with them. I don't even know. I thought that would be like a really fun idea, so I might do that later today. I think I'm gonna go to Best Buy and get some more of the round sticker paper. Oh, they're so funny. I also hope they ship well because of the googly eyes. They're not like flat, so hopefully shipping goes okay with them, because usually I just ship, you know, my prints and stuff in like envelopes, and it has to go through like the post office machines and stuff, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it and hopefully it works because I love the googly eyes. So funny. I love them. They're so cute. And this is the other thing that I've been working on, these little cork boards. I went and bought these and bought some paint at Joann's yesterday, so they're just cork boards, and then I painted them. I did like 2 of these dark pink ones and then one very light pink. It's kind of white in here, but it's like light pink, and one purple, and then I put glitter paint over them once that dried. And I'm doing these because I have a bunch of enamel pins that I want to display, and I was trying to figure out how, and I thought it would be fun to do like these colorful cork boards. So hopefully once they dry, the pins like go through them and it works, because I thought that'd be a fun idea to, you know, hang them on my wall and display my enamel pins. But yeah, that's basically what I've been working on, and I have to edit because today's Saturday, so last week's vlog is going up tomorrow morning, so I have to edit that. But I think I might go and pick up some sticker paper first, just so that I can work on that while my video is exporting. It'll be nice to kind of get the little stickers done and hopefully get everything packaged and shipped and ready to be sent out on Monday, because it's not going to be sent out today. It's the end of the day on Saturday. Tomorrow's Sunday, so it's not going to be shipped out. So if everything's ready on Monday, that would be great. And then tomorrow I do have a shoot that does need some prep, but I think I'm going to prep for it tomorrow before the shoot, so I won't really have time to package everything. So still lots of stuff to get done, but yeah. Woo! Video is now uploading. My next week's vlog. Oh, why is this lighting so blue? Okay, I don't even care. Video's uploading. It's only 6:48, so still pretty early. It didn't take me too long to edit last week's vlog, but that's probably because I didn't spend as much time editing as I should, which you will see in the vlog. It's a lot of unboxing. I didn't realize that most of my vlog, why is this door open? Most of my vlog for past week was just a giant unboxing video, but yeah, a lot of unboxing, and then also my Manson shoot, so should be really cool. I did really like that shoot. I love the way the pictures turned out. I can't wait to share them. But now I think I'm gonna go eat some dinner. I bought some Easy Mac while I was out at the store. To decide on what project I want to finish tonight, I have to package all of my Patreon stuff so I can get it sent out Monday. I also want to take pictures of all of my little, what are they called, like blowfish, pufferfish. I think they're pufferfish. Yeah. Pufferfish. I gotta take pictures of them so I can turn them into stickers. I went out and I bought my sticker paper at Best Buy, and I also stopped off at Joann's and bought some smaller googly eyes so that my stickers can have googly eyes. Still not sure what I'm gonna even do with these stickers. Probably not a priority thing, but I really want to do it. And then I also have to finish my pin boards and getting those set up so that I can have my little pins and stickers and everything on them and have a cute little display. So 3 different projects I can finish tonight, but I think I'm just gonna go eat something real fast and think about what I want to do. What is up, guys? Time for my shoot. This looks like a Mavis wig, doesn't it? But it's not. It's Sam. It's got the little extra thing on top. But I do really want to do Mavis. But yeah, I'm gonna shoot. Yesterday, remember I said I was gonna try and get a bunch of crafts done. There we go. I did none of that. I wound up just going to bed early. And so I'm going to try and get that done tonight, actually, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to, because we're shooting this and then we're shooting the spicier version for Patreon like we usually do. And then we'll see if I have time, because tomorrow is Monday. I'm really hoping to get everything shipped out, ready to go, but we'll see if I'm able to. So yeah, we just got here, so I'm gonna go. So we just finished this shoot, which went super quick. We're like super fast at just like shooting a bunch of stuff now. We kind of like know this park really well and the lighting and everything like that. So I'm gonna go drive back to my place now, and we're gonna shoot the spicier version for Patreon, and it's gonna be really fun. Hey guys, so it's Monday night, so it's time for me to end this vlog, but I did want to show you a little bit what I was working on today before I say goodbye. So as you know, I had a bunch of unfinished projects kind of scattered about that I've been working on throughout this week. So one of the projects was that I had these little googly eye puffer fish for all of my patrons at the $50 tier, at the top tier. So I do a little painting every month for them, and so I got all of my April Patreon stuff sent out today, which I know it's the end of May already, but I just had like a rough beginning of the month, so I did it as soon as I could. And honestly, I love these puffer fish so much, and as I said, I wanted to turn them into stickers, so I worked on that a bit today. I don't know what I'm going to do with the stickers. I have like no actual plan for them. Probably not going to sell them. I'm probably just going to keep them for myself and have fun with them. But I have this little Canon IV printer that someone sent me from my Amazon wish list, so I was able to use it and use a little like function to print like little circle stickers that it has, and to print my little pufferfish stickers. And yeah, I had to kind of work with it and like work on the settings because they print out really dark and kind of strange if you just print them like how they look in the picture. They print way darker. So for example, I can show you really well with like the yellow one is like this one came out like this like weird like greenish color and like super strange, so I had to like play with the settings to get it to look like the proper yellow. And like you can tell with the pink, like this one is just like really dark versus this one, which is much brighter. So I played around and I worked with that, and then I made these like little teeny circle ones just because I felt like it, I don't know. And then when I was playing with my printer, I decided to try and figure out how to print my Pokemon Snap pictures, because that's something I wanted to do, and I know that Pokemon Snap has like a little printer that's sold out on Amazon that you can print directly from your Switch, but there was a way to do it. I knew there had to be, but as long as I can get the pictures from my Switch to my phone, which I can do, then you can just print them with your little Canon printer. So I did little circles of these guys too, my little close-ups. And then I was just playing with printer settings, so this one was a mistake. Whoops. But yeah, this is kind of how they turn out with Whale Lord. I've got these guys, so this is like the first attempt, which is like obviously way too dark. And my second attempt, which looks a lot better. So I wanted to print out more of them and just play around with it, but unfortunately this printer gets really hot really fast because I guess it's printing using heat. So that's when it overheated and needed a break, which brings us back to the present. I did get a lot done today. I mean, yeah, stickers is just like a fun little thing that like I didn't really need to get done, but it was something I wanted to do. And I'm mostly proud that I got all my Patreon stuff finally sent out today. And then the last thing that I was working on was my little enamel pin boards. So they're finally dry. They took a lot longer to dry than I was expecting, because like the color paint that I used dried pretty fast. With this glitter paint, it kind of took a while to dry, and it's still like almost like a little bit sticky, like it's dry and it's not like sticking to anything, but like it doesn't feel like I don't know, it's a little bit sticky, like a little tacky. But it is sparkly and I like them. So yeah, I made these, and I'm gonna figure out where to hang them on my wall because I want them to be somewhere prominent and cute so I can put all my pins, and I want to start decorating them with my pins. I don't know if I'm going to start that tonight or not. If I do start tonight, then I'll add it to next week's vlog so you can see. Otherwise it'll, yeah, just be part of next week's vlog anyway because I'm ending the vlog here. So yeah, I just have to figure out now like a way to display my stickers, because I've been not only ordering cute enamel pins but also ordering cute stickers, and also obviously making some cute stickers. Also, someone was so kind and sent me a Cricut machine, so as soon as I get a printer, I will be able to do die cut stickers, and I have to learn how, like obviously, but I'm hoping to be able to do die cut stickers of, you know, like random little stuff like these fish, but mostly of like my cosplays so that I can put them on my Etsy and you guys can get them and maybe have them, you know, for a certain level of patrons, or I'm not sure what. So yeah, I just have to figure out that, but that's something that hopefully will come in the future that I'm really excited about. But in the meantime, I'm just glad that I can finally print my Pokemon Snap pictures because that's something I really wanted to do. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know how you felt about weekly vlogs and now that it's been a month. I think I'm still going to keep doing them. I have been enjoying them, so I'm just going to do them until it's like not working out anymore. I just have to get into a better like system of when to start them and when to stop them. But other than that, I have been enjoying them. So I personally like to keep doing them, but I'd love to know what you guys think. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my other social media. I've got everything. I've got Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. I also have Patreon and OnlyFans, so be sure to follow me there. And I will see you guys next week for my next video. Bye!